had a waffle for breakfast. They have lots of surfboards. Do you eat tofu? He likes wave surfing. She's laughing at a joke. I see 2 starfish on the sand. The sofa is made of leather. The infant boy is laying down. I bought a blueberry muffin. She loves her music headphones. I named my goldfish Sam. He is afraid of something. She's a cheerful girl. I see a pretty butterfly. My grandma has an old telephone. We saw a pretty waterfall. Do you play the xylophone? Here is a nurse uniform. There is a field of sunflowers. Look at the wild buffalo. The dog gives her affection. The confetti is sparkly. The candy is colorful. We bought some cauliflower for dinner. The firefighters are brave. Be confident in yourself.